Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 update error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, click Run under Windows Update. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type ren space, // Windows /software description space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, // Windows /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Type net space, start space, bits. Exit and restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc space, /scanno. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download. Click Download Windows 11. Click Download now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Click Next. Check ISO, click Next. Open Windows ISO file. Open Setup file. Select Install Windows 11 and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps. Click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.